Kylie Padilla no patawad nasi Aljura Brenica.
End of year.
Want to? Let's just say na yung therapy really helped. So I do encourage people who do suffer from mental health illness na yun na sinabi nila to get help kasi that's the most important thing. Hindi po kayo nag-isa.
So after the therapy, ano yung nabago sa Kylie?
Actually, I opened myself up like a sponge eh. Kasi, kasi kailangan ko na that when I was in that phase. And I needed to accept na maybe I am not okay, kasi acceptance is key. And then maging open ko lang to heal.
So you have forgiven?
Of course. So, matagal naman na yung forgiveness. It's the anger that was hard to let go.
Hindi ka nakapag-forgive ka na ba?
At wala ka